Please be seated. Bore da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good morning. Welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation. Laura Trevelyan Idwi, Cenhedlo Prifysgol Caerdydd. My name is Laura Trevelyan and I have the great privilege of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. The first thing I want to say to our anhygoel, that's Welsh for exceptional, class of 2026 is congratulations. Longyfarchiadau! We're going to be hearing lots of applause today, so that's just a warm-up for all of you. I was lucky enough to be a postgraduate journalism student here back in 1990, and Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, lifelong friends and colleagues, and now the honour of being your Chancellor. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given me, and I hope that Cardiff is going to underpin your lives in the same way that it has mine. Today, we're celebrating the achievement of our students in the School of Healthcare Sciences. On your learning journey, you've developed the skills and the compassion to join this inspirational workforce. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you're ambitious, passionate, and you have a brilliant mind. Please embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. Thank you for everything you've brought to your school and to your university. We are very proud of you. Right now, you're in a liminal state, but when you cross this stage, you will be a graduate of Cardiff University. Cardiff will always be here for you, and we hope that you will keep us in your hearts and be an ambassador for our university and for our values. You can see the motto behind me in Welsh: truth, unity, harmony. These are words that we hope you will live by. Family and friends of the class of 2026, thank you for being here. This is a proud moment for you, I know. And when your loved ones cross the stage, please make as much noise as you would like. It's impossible to bring down the roof, but we should try. For now, though, sit back, everyone. Enjoy the ceremony. And for our about-to-be graduates, cherish this moment. It's special. You formed a cymuned, a community, while you've been here, from YOLO nights at the Students' Union to swatting in the library. And now you're going out into the world. Well done to you all. Mae'n bleser gennyf glyfoenol Owain Sean. I now have the pleasure of introducing Owain Sean. Owain will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-resident at the University's School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. Gwyneth's poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Owain.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwellhad yn neud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod. dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn yn gyntaf yn y Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydde dwybod i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrif ddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgolheictod, wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac, wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i gyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoeth uneb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate to this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi. Congratulations.
Hello, Shemai. I am Joshua Tandy, your Vice President of Heath Park Campus at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It is a privilege to be standing here today celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community that you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for the years to come. Now we know that it hasn't always been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope that you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from just down the road in Pontypridd, further afield to Portsmouth, or all the way overseas in Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. But you're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You are leaving with the life experiences, the opportunities, and the memories that you've built here that will last you a lifetime. Whether it was pulling the all-nighters in the ASSL before that deadline, or the late-night YOLOs, or perhaps the quiet walk with coffee in Butte Park. You made it through. Now, you may or you may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you do step into that next chapter, carry with you the resilience that you've developed and the memories that you have cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you are equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the very best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Longyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Barida, good morning. Thro Wendy Lana Dwi, Isgang Hethro Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Professor Wendy Lana. I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all the students here to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even with some whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers, Llongyfarchiadau. Twy ardydod a raddwyd ym mi gen y brifysgol, dybannech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a thou en ysgol, Llongyfarchiadau. I now introduce Professor Kate Button, Head of the School of Healthcare Sciences, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the Certificate of Higher Education. Felicity Alexandria Davies. I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. John Medhane. I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Seren Lily Abbott. Orangtang Awabauha. Jemshi Ya Ali Qasim. Julie Andrews. Evie Ankers Jern. Neve Anthony. Megan Arthur. Felicity Bagwell. Karen Bamra. Charlotte Malaya Largo Barlow. Heleth Beach. Caitlin Best. Demi Ann Bevan. Katie Billinghurst. Ellie Blackwell. Olusola Bold. Bruce Bolton. Millie Jessica Bonning. Hannah Jane Boone. Kira Ann Borg, Angie Botha, Emma Broad, Hannah Brunt, Madeline Susan Buchanan, Jasmine Bullock, Moni Burma, Phoebe Burton, Lucy Bussell, Oath Callahan, Emma Carson, Evelyn Carter, Lola Carter, Fian Carter Jones, Aveen Cashman, Francesca Catalino, Sophia Kaskrovka, Navneet Chima, Lana Chino, Jacob Samuel Thomas Clark, Sarah Tyrion Clayton, Annabelle Cooper Harris, Jessica Sophie Coates, Isabel Crow, Nee Keris Davey, Bo Davies, Carwyn David Davies, Chloe Martina Davies, Josset Madeline Davies, Dial Marinette D'Souza, Zara Dobson, Rachel Lucy Duckworth, Barra Duffy, Chloe Ann Dufton, Hard Team Lauren Duke, Lewis Emile Dyke, Fionn Margaret Eaton Brown, Kira May England, Bethan Mary Evans, Caitlin Marie Evans, Flora Beth Evans, Ewan Evans, Jamie Evans, Kaylee Louise Evans, Rachel Evans, Rebecca Christine Rhiannon Evans, Sean Elizabeth Evans, Lucy Ewart, Henry Fagan, Adam Faruqi, Hattie Poppy Fell, Luca Feltham, Florence Butler Felton, Beatrice Ferder Riley, Luke Fletcher, Michelle Fowler, Annalise Aura Ama Buddha Frimpong, Luke Froggett, Karis Daisy Gaddiston Patel, Zoe Ning Chang Godino, Neve Gavin, Samuel David Gibson, Lucy Ann Gilbert, Simran Kaur Gill, Jonathan Gomes, Ruby Elizabeth Gould, Lowry Ann Griffiths, Ruby Eva Gipi Gabara, Amelia Grace Hamblin, Melody Maria Hamilton, Ellie Mae Harrison, Oliver James Henley, Megan Fleur Ashton Herberts, Yolandi Suzanne Hicks, Lauren Jane Hocking, Jemima Isabel Hodgson, Ryan William Hopkins, Elise de Boulay, Lily Hunt, Catherine Hunter, Chloe Hurst, Sama Ibrahim, Isabel Dillon Elise, Ellie Jackson, Hannah Marie James, Thea Elizabeth Grace James, Anna Jennings, Amy Johnston, Ellen Jones, Rhiannon Fleur Jones, Alicia Sonny Carr, Ellie Kearney, Alana Zara Kelly, Alexander Robert Kemp, Ella Kennard, Ruby Elizabeth Lamb, Thalia Zing Lamlu, Talia, Sally Laycock, Roisin Kathleen Lennon, Uma Asha Lewis, Isaac Liddell, Abby Lindsay, Bethan Lyles, Annabelle Llewellyn Jones, Becky Lloyd, Joanne Locke, Abigail Philomena Long, Louisa Lynn, Anna Maddox, Kira Mahata, Angelina Mann, Olivia Marl, Faye Anna Marshall, Laura Elizabeth Dawn Marsh Jones, Asma Jar Maskin, Unati Meidahishi, Megan McCarthy, Patrice McGee, Georgia Maria McGrath, Connie May McNally, Zoe Ann Mitchie, Ellie Anna Miles, Emily Louise Mills, Aisha Mirza, Jessica and Lucy Moffat, Caris Moore, Alice Nicole Morgan, Harriet Constance Moreland, Heidi Morris, Madeline Brooke Morrow, Christine Myra Zukiswa Mosna Onwatza, Yaya Muhammad, Julie Anna Mulholland, Christabella Nal Wolga, Isabel Neal, Charity Nagananga, Rutendu Nuglili, Ciara O'Driscoll. Freddie Richard Oliver. Chika Odichi Ornodpa. Caitlin Orchard Groves. Rhys Owen. Flani Martha Palha. Kishan Patel. Zahida Patel. Katie Paul. Esme Charlotte Evelyn Peters. Helen Sharelle Phillips. Christopher Presswood. Dylan Phillips. Megan Phillips. Ella Margaret Beatrice Pickford. Tom Pope. Sophie Price-Darvitz. Chloe Prothero. Imogen Isabel Pugh. Suhar Ramhan. Neha V. Sanders. Lana Richards. Harriet Roberts. Olivia Roberts. Elizabeth Roby. Ria Roy. Shannon Ruck. Arthur Rudkin McLaren. Noel Rush. Christine Sabater. Sneha Maria Sajam. Tate Emilio Savatira. Robert Andrew Sanderson. Shauna Saunders. Charlotte Jane Selby. Gopal Singh. Grace Shelburne. Ella Shields. Tasnaman Sikdar. Sabina Singh. Erin Slade. Jovi Slade. Rachel Somerville. Julia Nina Story. Olivia Higgin Tamlia. Susie Jane Taylor. Catherine Thomas. Kainwyn Thomas. Freya Thomas. Olwen Thomas. Carrie Toft. Anja Fabiola Torres Rivas Plata. Anna Toy. Elizabeth Daisy Tozer. Lara Treasure. Kayla Tay Tyson. Megan Walker. Rhys James Walton. Bethan Ward. Matthew Ward. Kate Whelan. Lauren White. Emily Mia Williams. Lauren Alex Williams. Owen Williams. Shihanio Me Williams. Sarah Naomi Williams. Verity May Windsor. Alfie Winter. Jacob Wyatt. Maisie Wooms.
I, Professor Wendy Lana, introduce those who have received the posthumous Bachelor of Science. Oisin Paul Cassidy studied for a BSc in physiotherapy and was due to complete his studies in June 2026. Oisin was a capable, committed and dedicated student. His academic record was excellent and he achieved a first-class standard in his first-year anatomy exams. During his studies, he was already demonstrating high-level professional skills and a clear determination to become a chartered physiotherapist and enter a career that focuses on helping others. Alongside of his academic and professional standing, Oisin was a keen runner. He was an exemplary member of his cohort, and he engaged with an academic curiosity that few could match. He attended everything. He worked diligently in practical sessions and contributed enthusiastically. But more than this, Oisin made friends easily and others sought his company. He was kind, he was caring. All these qualities were undertaken with a smile and a laugh. Tragically, Oisin did not get the chance to complete his academic study. Nevertheless, today we want to recognise, commemorate and celebrate his achievements during his time within the School of Health Sciences and at Cardiff University. It is wholly appropriate for Cardiff University to honour Oisin's achievements. Today, this university is proud to confer on Oisin Paul Cassidy a thoroughly deserved posthumous degree award.
Chancellor will now confer the awards.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Twy ardydod araddoes y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael ec dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw en ysgel longyffaciadau.
Please be seated.
I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Josephine Adams. Samira Yahya Al-Al-Gullah. Amjad Ayada Al-Anazi. Noura Majed Al-Jazab. Rawabi Sultan Al-Kwami. Ragad Al-Sulami. Lydia Mary Annette. Ellie Mae Austin. Nathan Awad. Sarah Bailey. Sophie Ball. Lara Bragg. Hannah Green. Amy Sophie Broadhurst. Danielle Brown. Maggie Maria Brown. Patrick Bunker. Saoirse Campbell McAlinden. Anshan Manisha Jaya. Arya Sachin Dashputra. Jack Doxey. Beth Dursley Smith. Jennifer Elliott. Zara Hussein Al-Sheikh. Seren Haley Evans. Louise Foley. Manal Babajan Gulam. Hetal Giri. Tiona Gudge. Aisling Grieg. Victoria Hart. Hefsi Sara Ninan. Carmen Jakurai. Alex Joel. Molly Jones. Robert Llewellyn Jones. Shivani Shivaji Kadam. Safa Zulfika Ali Kazi. Ulifa Kambati. Rachel Lacerda. Maya Chempaka Lavan. Chen Liang. Lin Shen Cheng. David Lloyd. Maitri Neeland Bandra Krai. Georgie Mellis. Connie Miller. Aisha Mohammed. Caris Morgan. Charlotte Murphy. Vijaya Darshini Muthukamur. Jaswant Tej Vatavarapu. Megan Marianne Newman. Simon Samuel Paul. Chloe Plummer. Jasper Coulter. Shravya Raghuram Shetty. Purvika Rai. Pracha Kavita Lashman Rajpurji. Rasha Amina Rashid. Radhika Sunil Rout. Ellie Louise Rees-Glover. Beth Roberts. Kanmani Sauravanan. Niloni Dilip Shah. Fatima Ali Riza Sheikh. Alafia Shakir. Dipti Shetty. Connie Simpson. Rekha Sivakumar. Hannah Smith. Oliver Squire. Ruchitha Srinivasa Rao. Olivia Stevens. Fuzan Masood. Prajwal Thalur Ramachandra. Izzy Tustin. Prati Rajendra Chitra Vadya. Kankshi Nado Kinshaw Vetka. Sinead Carter. Patrick Timothy. Nia Catherine Williams. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ardyrod araddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi a gael ec dyfaniad a ho ffrintiau a ddaw en esgael Longafakiadai. Please be seated.
The following students are to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Advanced Healthcare Practice. Dr. Stephanie Gething. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Al-Hanouf Sakir Al-Mutairi. Dr. Rawan Ahmed Al-Ruwaili. Dr. Nudi El Aryan. Dr. Ryan Al-Falebam. Dr. Yue Chin. Dr. Mohammed Sobahi. Dr. Bethan Heather Thomas. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ardydod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfanech chi a gael ec dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol. Llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
So now we come to the point of the oath. Could all those students that have studied for an undergraduate diploma or degree from the School of Healthcare Sciences please stand, if you're able to, for the reading of the oath.
I will now declare the oath, first in Welsh and then in English, and then I will ask you to agree to the terms of the oath. Addawaf mae fy mlaenoriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda phob claf ac ymdrechaf i gyfathrebu'n effeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'i preifatrwydd a'i hawl i gyfrannu'n llawn at benderfyniadau ynglynau gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghredywa personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy nghymhwysedd, byddaf bob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gennym freswm da i gredu nad wyf fi neu gydweithiwr yn addas i weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym i ddiogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camddefnyddio fy sefyllfa proffesiynol a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn yr ffordd orau ar lles y cleifion. Yn yr holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy nghleifion na'm cydweithwyr a byddaf yn barod i gyfiawnhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Rhoddaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw yn wirfoddol ac o ddifri. Os ydych yn cytuno â thalerau'r llw, dywedwch ydwydd. I promise that I will make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and will strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice my care of patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the ways that best serve patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. If you agree to the terms of the oath, say I do.
Bore Dafau, TJ Rawlinson Dewey. I'm TJ Rawlinson, Director of Development and Alumni Relations, and I'm here to introduce our alumni speaker, Rhys Carter. Rhys is a Cardiff graduate in physiotherapy from 2012, and he is the CEO and co-founder of the Carter and George practice, a nationwide group of healthcare physiotherapy clinics. Since graduating, Rhys's wide-ranging clinical career across elite sport has included forays into professional rugby and motorsport. He has helped hundreds of thousands of people return to the activities they love. And he has built a thriving, rapidly growing healthcare business, one which offers recent graduates professional development and offers leadership opportunities. We are just delighted to welcome Rhys today to share some congratulatory words with you.
Good morning, class of 2026. Congratulations, you did it. Thank you to Cardiff for inviting me to speak today. What a career honor for me. I never would have predicted this when I was sitting in my halls 14 years ago, wondering if I was even going to pass my exams. You could say that I'm suffering from imposter syndrome, but these days I embrace that feeling. Imposter syndrome means that you care and it keeps you hungry to improve. Graduates, as you begin your journey into the world of healthcare, you'll experience imposter syndrome countless times. Your first patient, your first presentation, or your first interview. I remember my first physiotherapy patient, a lady with tennis elbow. I'd read the books, I'd passed the exams on the second or third attempt, but how was I actually meant to gain rapport, assess, diagnose, treat, plan, write notes, all in the next 30 minutes? I certainly felt like an imposter that day. But I figured out that's okay, and luckily for you, you already have the skills you need to do the same. At Carter and George, we embrace the 0% talent skills. These are the human skills, the ones that you develop throughout your life. Listening, empathy, caring, being on time, smiling, helping your friends and colleagues. The 0% talent skills matter. If you ask your patients what makes a good clinician, they'll say it has nothing to do with the latest technology or the clever marketing campaigns. At our company, it's not because my business partner is an England rugby player, although we should probably not mention rugby for Wales or England at the moment. 20,000 Carter and George patients told us that a good clinician makes them feel cared for and listened to. A good clinician makes them feel positive about their recovery and allows them to feel vulnerable in a way that they couldn't with other people. For patients, time with you is the most important part of their week. In a world of fast-losing human connectedness, we play a critical role that technology can't match. What a privilege it is that someone chooses to spend their time and put their trust in us. You have the 0% talent skills already. Being caring and curious is a hallmark of Cardiff graduates. You add value for your patients from day one, and that is amazing. But what other 0% talent skills can you nurture? I'll share 4 with you now. First, say yes more than you say no. Unexpected opportunities often pay great dividends. Secondly, learn from the mistakes you make. For every 10 good ideas I've had, 9 of them end up failing. And it's actually good to fail, reflect, tweak, and then go again. You'll experience opportunities and outcomes you can never dream of. Perhaps you get invited to do a speech at a graduation ceremony one day. You never know. Third, pursue happiness. Research tells us that happiness can be found from a feeling you are always improving, through ownership of your goals, through having strong personal relationships, and being part of something bigger than yourself. You're already part of the way there with the friendships that you've nurtured here, and now as qualified members of professions that make a huge impact on individuals and society. And fourth, when you are in a position to help someone, especially someone who is seeking their first opportunity, please do what you can to help. At Carter & George, we've recruited more than 50 graduate physiotherapists, and 15 of them now hold leadership positions with us. Supporting other people pays more dividends professionally and personally than anything else. So, say yes, embrace failure, pursue happiness, and help others. Use the 0% talent skills for yourself too, as a diagnostic tool when you need to course correct. Graduates, 14 years ago, sat where you are today, I was happy and I was proud. And stood here now, I urge you to be happy and proud. What an exciting path you all have ahead of you. It's time to take your next steps, using all you have learned already and everything you have left to learn. Congratulations as you celebrate your success, and welcome to the start of your journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Rhys. What a brilliant speech and what fantastic advice. Embrace the 0% talent skills. I think I'm going to try and do that myself. Say yes, embrace failure, pursue happiness and help others. A motto to live by. Longyfarchiadau, dy hun rhan o gymuned Prifysgol Caerdydd. Congratulations, you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni stand out. Some are high profile, others are quiet, well-informed contributors to their communities. You, who are going into healthcare, are in a unique position to help the world, to help us heal, to form these relationships that Rhys was talking about. You have the trust of your patients. It's an extraordinary and exciting opportunity. Virginia Woolf is my favourite novelist, and I always find her life advice to be the best. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. So go out there and be yourselves. For Cardiff has given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown willingness, determination, and spirit. In this era of AI, you have real intelligence and you have critical thinking. You heard what Rhys said. Patients aren't interested in the latest technology. They want a connection with you. So go with that. Go with your empathy, your kindness, your skills. Don't let AI think for you. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you develop that sense of Cynefin, a place of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, we want you to come back often. Tell us how you're getting on. Tell us about the highs and the lows. Tonight, more than 1,000 Cardiff alumni will be gathering at Graduation Gardens under the very same tent that you'll go to celebrate after your graduation. It's our very first big reunion weekend for alumni this weekend. I want our alumni community to be a social and professional network that you can rely on throughout your lives. So I'm inviting you, the great Cardiff class of 2026, to come back here next year for our next big reunion weekend. Be part of it. Keep up these connections. And if any of you want to volunteer to be an ambassador for the class of 2026 to help organise your first reunion next year, your fifth, and so on, all the way through to your 50th in 2076. I won't be here, but I think it'll be a great party. Please volunteer. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition that we need to uphold. While today is all about your achievement and your hard work, I know that you would be the first to acknowledge that you couldn't have done it by yourselves. Your parents, your family, your friends, your loved ones were there to support you. So now it's your chance to say thank you. Please rise, Cardiff graduates. And on the count of 3, can you make a lot of noise and thank those who've been with you? 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Thank you. Longyfarchiadau i'ch chri Raddodigion Caerdydd. Congratulations to you, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebrations, here's a film welcoming you to the Cardiff University alumni family. At the end of the film, can I ask everyone to please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. To the Bendigedig, which is Welsh for fantastic, Healthcare Sciences class of 2026. One last time, I would like to say congratulations. Longyfarchiadau!
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark, Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.